This is what a Roth IRA is in 100 seconds. The tax benefits are so good that the IRS only allows you to contribute up to $7,000 per year. The Roth IRA is a retirement account that's completely managed by you and not tied to your employer. You contribute post-tax money, which is money that you already pay taxes on, such as your take-home pay, and the investments inside this account grow completely tax-free. And when you withdraw the money, it's also completely tax-free as long as you follow two rules. And those two rules are that you must be at least 59 and a half years or older, and your Roth IRA has been open for at least 5 years. Like I mentioned before, there are contribution limits, and in 2024, the yearly contribution limit is up to $7,000. The amount you can contribute depends on what your modified adjusted gross income is, or MAGI. If your MAGI is below $161,000, then you can contribute the full $7,000 to your Roth IRA. If your MAGI is between $146,000 and $161,000, then you can contribute a partial amount. And if you make over $161,000, then you can't contribute to a Roth IRA unless you do something called a backdoor Roth IRA, which I will make a video about in the future. You can easily open a Roth IRA at any major financial company, and it's completely free to open one. I also have videos on this channel that show you the exact step-by-step process of how to open a Roth IRA at both Vanguard and Fidelity. And that is the Roth IRA explained in 100 seconds.